I mean initially तो मैंने JW Advanced का concept बोल गई मैं तो JW Advanced के concept मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था.
हिंदी
Right.
Yes, so let's get back to JEE because वो तो क्या exam है. Yes, so like when you approach 12th, okay, so like JEE is on the way, advance is on the way, boards is also on the way.
Yeah.
Typical reaction within a normal middle class family is that it is one of horror.
Yes.
That you have, yes, that is imbibed within. So like, what was the situation with you? Matlab, okay, you were topper in IMO.
So I think my situation was in fact even worse because 11th के end में I was selected for the national team for astronomy Olympiad, and astronomy Olympiad का international level, you know, where India की team बाकी सारी countries की team के साथ compete करेगी in IOAA, International Olympiad of Astronomy and Astrophysics. That was in December. Then there was an entire set of second level Olympiads that I had qualified for. That was there in early February. Then there was board exams in March. Then there was JEE mains in April. Then there was JEE advanced in May. So like वो पूरा 5 महीने का जो stretch था वो मेरा काफी ज़्यादा, you could say there were a lot of eyes on me because so I started catching people's eye when I sort of topped Technothlon and got selected in the Indian team, and like that was when people started having very high expectations from me. And I used to do decent in JEE exams, but like nothing out of the ordinary. So chalo astronomy Olympiad international जाके silver medal आ गया. I did decent. I don't think I could have done any better than that. Gold medal like काफी ऊपर की चीज है. Like I should have been on a whole new level to reach there. So silver medal, I was very happy with that. Like
astronomy Olympiad mein you were able to reach silver because you were inherently interested in astrophysics.
Yes, and that is true for every single Olympiad. Ki if you are even if you get qualified for the national team, it is because you are inherently interested in that subject. I can say with certainty कि अगर किसी को फिजिक्स में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, तुम उसको 5 साल की उम्र से ट्रेन करो फिजिक्स ओलंपियाड के लिए, एंड 20 साल की उम्र पे लाइक 18 साल की उम्र पे व्हाटएवर द हाईएस्ट एज इज फॉर द ओलंपियाड पार्टिसिपेशन, उस उम्र पे पार्टिसिपेट कराओ. देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो वे पॉसिबल कि दैट पर्सन इज गोइंग टू बी qualifying for the international level from a country like India, because at that point you can imagine, right, there are 5 people that get qualified from a country of 120 crores, right? There is no age division except like you should be less than 18 years of age, but uske alawa there is no age division. 6th standard का बच्चा भी आ सकता है, 10th standard का बच्चा भी आ सकता है, 12th standard का बच्चा भी आ सकता है. There is no age division, there is absolutely no segregation, and there is no scope of luck because the selection procedure is so rigorous. I am actually involved in the selection procedure for astronomy Olympiad. So like I select I select the team for IOAA every year. Like I am one of the people who selects the team for IOAA from India. So like the selection procedure is extremely rigorous, and there is absolutely no way that you can fluke your way to the national team. Medal लाना तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So the only reason I could do decent in Olympiads was because I was inherently extremely fascinated and passionate about astrophysics. कि उसकी एक लाइन पढ़ के मुझे रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते थे कि ऐसा भी होता है. I cannot. I am so hungry that I want to know more about.
अब एस्ट्रोनॉमी ओलंपियाड के अंदर तो मतलब how much different is it from the kind of science that you watch on TV?
It is completely different. There is अगर मैं similarity in some sort of percentage form बोलूं तो you could say board exam and JEE are 5% similar. Discovery Channel का astrophysics and astronomy Olympiad का astrophysics is 0.0005% similar. It's so vastly different, and the entire idea of the entire enterprise of astrophysics is so different and unique कि अगर तुम्हें डिस्कवरी चैनल का एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स पसंद है, then trust me, you are not interested in astrophysics. You are interested in things like politics, and you are interested in things like badi speeches dena. You are interested in things like popular science. You are interested in things like that.
Right.
You are interested in Bollywood movies.
You can be a science communicator, but not a scientist.
Yeah, you can be a science journalist even, maybe to some extent. But the Olympiad thing is a very rigorous thing. It's the kind of difference कि बचपन में बहुत सारे स्टैंडर्ड मॉडल पढ़ लिया, हिग्स बोसन पढ़ लिया, but then 11th में आके हमें प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन पढ़ना पड़ रहा है. It's that sort of a thing.
Right. Definitely,
yeah.
yes.
So it's very different, and it's different in a great way, because I mean it's nice. Moreover, it's very different from the JEE syllabus, because astronomy का syllabus में काफी सारी how would I put it, global phenomena होते हैं, local phenomena कम होते हैं.
वो मतलब हाँ मेरे को वही पूछना था कि like what is the difference between JEE mains and the preparation of Olympiads? Like what is the difference?
Completely different ball game and a completely different mindset to prepare for both of those exams.
अच्छा.
I did not, मैंने Olympiad के first या second stage के लिए इतना ज़्यादा preparation नहीं किया था, because paper देख के मुझे लग गया था कि like this is going to be very easy for me, because बचपन से like यही चीज पढ़ते आ रहा हूँ. But
right.
I can try to compare like the international stage of the Olympiad and JEE mains. So JEE mains में ये होता है कि you generally try to score high. अगर तुम्हें ऐसा है कि 50-50 चांस है तुम्हारा कि करेक्ट होगा या रॉन्ग होगा आंसर, तुम फ्लूक मारते हो, and you try to score as high as possible. So you try to balance your preparation in every single direction. कि ओके मैं फिजिक्स भी अच्छे से करूंगा, मैथ्स भी अच्छे से करूंगा, केमिस्ट्री भी अच्छे से करूंगा, मैथ्स के अंदर हर एक सब्जेक्ट, हर एक चैप्टर अच्छे से करूंगा, केमिस्ट्री के अंदर हर एक चैप्टर अच्छे से करूंगा, एंड सो ऑन. बिकॉज़ दैट इज द जनरल स्ट्रेटजी यू ट्राई टू अडॉप्ट इन JEE मेंस, कि तुम्हारे पास उस चैप्टर से एक क्वेश्चन आएगा तो तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. यू वोंट हैव टू पुट इन एक्सट्रीम अमाउंट ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी टू बी एबल टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. Olympiads में it's a very different game, because you take a question and you keep on hammering it, and you keep on hammering the exact same question so many times till you are able to crack it. And I mean, astronomy Olympiad varies a lot from year to year. So astronomy Olympiad में मैं exact statistics तो नहीं दे सकता, but in maths Olympiad there are 6 questions and total 9 hours होते हैं for 6 questions. So you can imagine like 1.5 hour per question compared to I think 1.5 minute per question in JEE mains. Yeah. So what you try to do in things like this, like for example in maths Olympiad, is if geometry is your strong suit, then what you try to do is you try to out prepare geometry so much कि geometry का कोई भी question है, there's a good chance that you can crack that problem. So वो 7 मार्क तुम्हारे आ जाए, right? क्योंकि you know कि अगर तुमने 6 में से 2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिए, which does not seem a lot. अगर हम लोग ने सिर्फ बोर्ड एग्जाम्स दी है या फिर JEE मेंस दी है, तो it does not seem a lot कि तुमने 30% प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया तो क्या उखाड़ लिया. It does not seem a lot.
Right.
But अगर for example in IMO 6 में से if you manage to solve 2 problems, तुम्हारा मेडल पक्का है. Like you are going to get an international medal, which is like काफी कम लोगों के सौभाग्य में होता है to get an international medal. So you try to prepare on your strong suit. You definitely brush up on your weaker things as well कि अगर you somehow manage to crack it, but you try to polish your stronger suits more. And that is what I love about Olympiads, कि even though the syllabus is predefined, you are not obligated to learn things that you don't want to learn. You have this sort of flexibility. वरना बोर्ड एग्जाम में तुम्हें अगर 95 मार्क्स आए तो लोगों को कम लगते हैं, and that is because तुमने एक चैप्टर छोड़ दिया था और उसके ऊपर से एक 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आ गया और 1 मार्क तुम्हारा हैंडराइटिंग की वजह से कट हुआ, and so तुम्हारे खाली 95% मार्क्स आए, and that's I think a very wrong way to go about it.
Okay, so let's talk about advance, because JEE mains, again, large population, large number of people, large number of selections, and then you get number of people, a very hard exam, kind of balance that goes behind. So matlab, how was JEE advance for you?
JEE advance का concept पसंद आया था because it is a difficult exam. initially लगा था मुझे that you can get a decent rank by not scoring a lot, which is sort of true, because I think scoring 30%, 35% can get you into an IIT. I think qualification तो हो ही जाता है if you score 35-40% in JEE Advanced, and 35-40% score करना in any exam allows you for a lot of freedom in what you want to prepare for, what you want to not prepare for. So I sort of like that idea, but it has a big flaw in my opinion. First of all, why I think JEE Advanced is a much better idea than board exams is कि JEE Advanced का एक काम है कि it is to, उन्होंने बोल दिया है कि like this is the syllabus, you guys have to prepare this syllabus, and you are preparing this so that you get qualified, get into great institutes like the IITs, ISM, the IISERs, IISc, things like that. So उनका like goal clear है, उनका syllabus clear है, उनका objective clear है, how to prepare clear है, and the kind of questions that they're going to ask clear hai. And like all you have to do is you have to put in the work, and you'll get into that. And like the difficulty level is decent कि तुम मेहनत के बिना नहीं पहुंच सकते, but मेहनत करो तो easily पहुंच सकते हो. Like it's in that sweet spot. But like the issue with JEE Advanced, in my opinion, is that it is a single day, and you have 2 exams, sure, but अगर तुम्हारा उस दिन खराब है for whatever reason, because you cannot control days like this, right?
Right, absolutely.
And almost every single examination in your Indian education system suffers from this problem. If your day on the day of exam is not good, suppose उस सुबह थोड़ा सा sleep cycle REM cycle में आधी मिनट का फर्क हो गया, आधी मिनट, I don't know what matters, maybe 10 मिनट REM cycle खत्म होने से पहले उठ गए, so थोड़ा सा drowsiness feel होता है. उसके पहले की रात को तुमने जो खाना खाया उससे थोड़ी सी एसिडिटी हो गई, which is why concentration थोड़ा सा कम हो सकता है. Or maybe what may happen is when you go to the exam hall, रास्ते में traffic है, and even though you have started going to the exam hall earlier, traffic की वजह से थोड़ा सा panic होता है, and that panic sort of grows into
anxiety.
Yeah, turns into anxiety, and very easily, because the big things are on the line. So
right.
So the point is, the balance is very sensitive, and not everything is skill based over there. Very many factors depend on luck, and what makes more sense, I mean, obviously logistically it does not make sense, but from an educational point of view, what makes more sense is 6 बार JEE Advanced दो, and then what you need to do is you need to consider the average percentile score, or maybe the best percentile score of that person, and then according to that you need to award that person an admission in IITs. And that makes much more sense, because उसमें वो bad day good day वाला जो issue है वो नहीं आता है. In fact मेरे साथ ये issue हुआ था कि JEE Advanced के दिन I sort of was not in a very good health state, and that is why I completely messed up JEE Advanced. Before going into the examination, I was like, okay, I am completely well prepared, and अगर पेपर अच्छा जाएगा तो there is a good chance that I'm going to be in India top 20, and अगर पेपर खराब जाएगा then maybe 200 के आसपास रैंक आएगा. Like उस लेवल के कॉन्फिडेंस लेके जा रहा था मैं, and पेपर आया, and for some reason health wise I was just not feeling very good, and I was feeling slightly drowsy and slightly unfocused on that day, and it was nothing major. But the point is, I went from expecting like a rank near the 20s to like a rank near the thousands. So like this is a huge difference. Like अगर तुम expect कर रहे हो कि तुम्हारी rank 20 आने वाली है, and अगर तुम्हारी rank 1000 आती है, तो that's a massive difference, and the entire difference came not because of the skill level involved, because उससे पहले जो सारी mock test थे उसमें I was scoring pretty well. I was scoring good enough for a top 20, top 30 type के level के लिए mock test.
Absolutely.
But like on the day, it just was not a good day, and I just made silly errors worth 55 marks, and then that pushed
God.
that pushed my rank from All India 12 to All India somewhere in the, like, I don't remember, somewhere near 1,000. Like if
Right.
I wouldn't have committed those silly errors, which I probably would have to some extent, but a little bit of lack of focus and वो जो हल्का सा back of the mind that not feeling
हाँ.
up to it वाली feeling है, उसकी वजह से this effect compounds to an extent कि it just ruins your entire paper. And
It's a dose because हाँ एक
yeah,
साथ वो एक है कि फिर उसके बाद you get
yeah, so
पर
it's an entire order of magnitude ka difference. The good thing is that I was still getting admission in the required branch in the required IIT because I was not aiming for computer science, because I was not so much interested in coding and things like that at that point in time. I was more interested in
that I believe is the most controversial statement for any Indian parent कि बच्चे को इतनी अच्छी रैंक आई और वो CS में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है. That
yeah, so in that case, in fact, मेरा अच्छा हो गया because there were a lot of people who were pressurizing me to take up CS, and in
Right.
fact BITS में मेरा काफी अच्छा आया था, so people were like BITS पिलानी CS ले ले, अगर IIT में अच्छे IIT में CS नहीं मिल रहा है तो BITS पिलानी. मुझे आई थिंक रूरकी में CS मिल रहा था, एंड नहीं, रूरकी में नहीं, कहीं और CS मिल रहा था, but the IIT was not really great, and
अच्छा.
and so people were like, don't take CS here, take CS there, and I was like, I'm not taking CS. I'm deciding between IIT Bombay engineering physics and between IISc. I am not interested in doing computer science, I'm interested in doing physics. And then those people are like, उसमें कुछ पैसा नहीं मिलता है, and उसमें कोई job नहीं मिलेगा, and
हाँ exactly हाँ.
and I can only imagine if अगर मुझे IIT दिल्ली या किसी अच्छे IIT में CS मिल रहा होता तो मेरे साथ कितना ज्यादा pressurization होता. So I mean, in that sense, a good thing happened. But like अगले एक महीने तक I was, sort of sad कि I spent a lot of time preparing for advanced. I did put in a decent deal of effort, but because of that 12-hour span जिसमें मेरा बस mood अच्छा नहीं था, जिसकी वजह से मेरे marks अच्छे नहीं आए, and that had such a like lifelong lasting implication on my life कि I mean, अगर मुझे CS में interest होता, I would be losing out on so much, because you can imagine the difference between IIT Bombay CS and BITS Pilani CS. I mean, no doubt,
Right.
you can do great things from wherever you are, but a peer group in IIT Bombay CS and IIT Delhi CS is so much better than your peer group in BITS Pilani CS कि I would be losing out on a lot, and
Right.
it would genuinely not be fair, because there would be a lot of people who would actually be interested in computer science, who were probably deserving of getting a top 100 rank and did not get it because it was not their day. It was just a bad luck for them. And for the rest of their lives, they're stuck with a slightly less privileged क्या बोलते हैं उसको, group of peers, and that's
Right.
unfortunate, and that's not a good way to deal with things. But I think JEE is addressing this issue pretty nicely. Mains में उन लोगों ने 2 mains exams कर दिया है,
2 बार का.
फिर board exams का weightage निकाल दिया है, and like these things are
वो
nice.
आपकी ईयर हुआ था, हमारे ईयर हुआ था.
नहीं, हमारे ईयर से निकाल दिया था. like our year was the first year जहाँ पे board exams का weightage निकाला था.
अच्छा, ओके हाँ.
And I think double exam तुम लोग किए या तुम लोग की year के next year से हुआ था?
नहीं, हमारे बाद.
अच्छा,
हमारी पहली ऑनलाइन एडवांस एग्जाम थी, so it was a new experience के. हाँ.
there were things like that, so they are making nice changes that are addressing all of these problems. It will be better if they address these changes fast, but I mean उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. It is logistically completely infeasible to conduct 6 JEE advanced examinations. So yeah, that's a problem as well.
And you were preparing for 3 years now, matlab.
Yeah.
You were here in a hostel, and the people who were in Kota were doing that.
Yeah.
So you have pressure that all my work of 3 years, be it good or bad, has boiled down to this day.
Yes.
And then like how do you respond to that, right?
Naturally, like एक महीने तक तो मैं, I mean, I was genuinely visibly sad. I was talking less to people. I was like sports kam khel raha tha. I was just more I just it was difficult to I mean the result did not matter to me at the end of the day because it was not impacting my life in any way whatsoever except maybe शायद publicity थोड़ी ज़्यादा हो जाती मेरी उसके अलावा there was absolutely nothing that was impacting my life from my rank because 1000 रैंक पे भी आईआईटी बॉम्बे ईपी मिलता है 100 रैंक पे भी आईआईटी बॉम्बे ईपी मिलता है 10 रैंक पे भी आईआईटी बॉम्बे ईपी मिलता है the point is the point is you have been preparing so much and so many eyes are set on you that you're probably going to do a decent job and at that point you choke and फिर जो बुरी वाली feeling आती है that teaches you a lot no doubt but that's not a good feeling to have and obviously like you said there is no training for these things while there should be but yes